has lauded President William Ruto for heeding Kenyans' call to reduce fuel prices. Speaking at Nyamwome during a fundraising program, Masara, who is a member of the Budget Committee, assured Kenyans that the government will soon introduce fuel subsidies to help ease the burden of high fuel costs.
Lakini tuko na matumaini kwamba mahindi bei ilikuwa juu, imeshuka. Mafuta bei imekuwa juu, itashuka. Mimi sitaki nilaumu serikali, lakini I sit in the budget committee. Tumekubaliana, hata ndio nimetoka jana. Hivi karibuni serikali itaweka pesa ya subsidy ili bei ya mafuta irudi chini, wananchi wapate maisha mazuri.
The MP also praised Kenyans for supporting the 2010 Constitution, saying it guarantees freedom of speech and allows citizens to freely express their opinions and concerns. He noted that many Kenyans have recently voiced their grievances through dialogue and peaceful engagement, while criticizing those who resorted to demonstration over fuel prices.
Wapinzani wanasema kwamba the democratic space is being reduced. Yeah? That is lies. Wakati 2010 Constitution ilikuwa ijawekwa, Gachagua angeweza kuongea anavyoongea na bado hakuna mwenye anamkamata. What is there? The democratic space has increased. The freedom of speech iko kabili. Freedom of association iko, kuchagua chama, kutoa matamshi yale unahitaji.
Masara further urged national leaders to be cautious with their public remarks, warning that reckless utterances could plunge the country into instability and darkness.
Lakini what we must know as leaders, be mindful of chenye unaenda kuongea, kwa ajili tuko na nchi moja. Uchaguzi inakuja na kupita. This time round baba alituacha kwa broad based arrangement. Au tutoi kama Wajaluo. Tuko hapo ili tupate maendeleo. Tulikuwa tukienda kwa barabara ili tupate maendeleo. We wanted power so that we can control resources. Now we have resources. We must form the next government so that we can be part and parcel of that power. We are telling people like Orengo, we appreciate you for your contribution. You are my friend, and at a given point you are my party leader in SDP. But I can tell you, a good dancer should know at what time to leave the stage.
Lennox Odede reporting for Ndizi TV Africa from Migori County.